SQL లో జాబ్ రావాలి అంటే ఎన్ని డేటాబేసెస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు. ఇక్కడ ఎలా రాసాము క్వైరీస్ అండ్ ఎన్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసాము. SQL లో జాబ్ రావాలి అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చాలా చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అని ఎలా అంటారో, సో ఈ SQL లో కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మనకి క్వైరీస్ అనేది చాలా బాగా రాస్తే మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా డెఫినెట్ గా జాబ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. Hello everyone, I am Pushpa. I am getting trained in Success Software Academy as a SQL analyst. As a part of this training, సో మేడం నాకు కొన్ని క్వైరీస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ క్వైరీస్ అన్నీ నేను హ్యాపీగా మీకు షేర్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. క్వైరీస్ అన్నీ నాకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యాయి. సో ఎందుకంటే మేడం ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత కొన్ని బిగినర్ లెవెల్స్కి మేడం కూడా కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తారు, క్వైరీస్ ఇస్తారు. అవి కూడా మేము ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ విధంగానే ఇక్కడ మేడం నాకు కొన్ని ఇచ్చారు. ఆ క్వైరీస్ అన్నీ మీకు ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పబోతున్నాను. విత్ ఆన్సర్స్తో సహా మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే ఈ క్వైరీస్ మీకు కూడా ఫ్యూచర్లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి. దీంట్లో మనం ఏం యూజ్ చేసాము అంటే 2 టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాము. క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని డిఫరెంట్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్స్ తీసుకొని 2 టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసి వాళ్ళకి దాంట్లో మేడం ఇచ్చిన క్వైరీస్ అన్ని ఎలా యూజ్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి అనే దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మేడం క్వైరీస్ ఇచ్చారు. అవన్నీ నాకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యాయి. సో ఇవన్నీ మీతో హ్యాపీగా షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి అనిపించి మేడం హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని మా ఛానల్ ద్వారా మీకు కూడా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అనేసి చేస్తున్నాము. ఇది ఏమి అంటే ఇక్కడ SQL లో డైరెక్ట్ గా క్వైరీస్ కూడా చూపిస్తున్నాను, విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ తో కూడా మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి అంటే దీంట్లో డైరెక్ట్ గా SQL ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ లోనే చేసి కూడా చూపిస్తున్నాను మీకు. సో ఇది తప్పకుండా మీకు కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. లెట్ us start our queries.
Let us start the class by writing the queries using SQL.
Let us start the queries I have planned. These are the queries. If you observe me, so these are the total queries. And now coming to the first one. So what is the first query here? Write an SQL query to fetch employee name is earning a gross salary working under the manager with employee number 9015. This is the first query. So coming to the table, select star from employee. So this is our table. If you observe this, I have taken the here different employee numbers, different employee names, job roles, and based on the basic salary, we have to calculate the gross salary, deduction, and net salary. So first question is the write an SQL query. So here we have to take the employee name here. Select employee name. Here concatenation operator is earning a gross salary of gross salary and inverted concatenation operator. Gross salary is our field name. Gross salary from table name. Table name is the employee, where employee number equal to 9014. So here 9014, Pushpa is earning a gross salary 1,26,084. So this is the first query. Next, coming to the second query. So here second query is write an SQL query to fetch the different departments available from the employee salary table. So here we have to take the different job roles here. So first one is select distinct operator from different job departments, means here job role is there. So from table name is the employee. So here different job roles means manager, clerk, data analyst, president, CEO, HR, clerk, typist, president, and CEO. These are the different job roles in our table. And next, third one, and third query is the write an SQL query to fetch the count of employees working in under the department data analyst. Here based on the data analyst, we have to count the how many number of employees are there. And next, select count employee number, different employees count from table name. Here one more condition is there where job role equal to data analyst. Based on the data analyst, we have to count the how many number of people are there. So here how many number of people are there here? Only 5 members are there. This is the third one. And next, fourth one is the write an SQL query to find the maximum, minimum and average salary of the employees. So here we have to write down select maximum salary, maximum of net salary in column alias maximum, comma, minimum also we have to write here, minimum of net salary. Here minimum salary, comma, and average also is there. Average of net salary, comma, average from table name. Table name is the employee. If you observe here, maximum. So, in our table, net salary of maximum number is 1,39,100 and minimum salary is 24,150 and for this average is 81,962. So, this is the fourth query. And next one is fifth question here. Write an SQL query to find the employee ID whose salary lies in the range of 40,000 and 1 lakh. This is the query of fifth one. And for this, and the next select. Here, which one is there here? Employee ID is there. Employee ID means the employee number. And whose salary is lies in the range of. So, employee number from employee. So employee number, comma, net salary from employee table, comma, here where here condition is lies in the range of 40,000 and 1 lakh, where net salary, here we are using the between operator, between 40,000 and 1 lakh. This is our query. So select employee number, comma, net salary from employee table, where net salary between 40,000 and 1 lakh. So if you observe here, employee numbers are also there, net salary. So between the 40,000 and 1 lakh only. So this is the fifth one. And next, coming to sixth question. So write an SQL query to fetch those employees who lives in Bangalore and work under the manager. With the manager ID is 9014. Here we have to got the which employee lives in Bangalore and that employee only coming to the manager with ID 9014 is there. So select employees. Select employee name. Here which lies in Bangalore. Select employee name from employee. Here our condition is where place, lives in place, where place is equal to Bangalore. And one more condition also is there. Under the manager with 9014. That means employee number is 9014. Where place is equal to Bangalore and employee number equal to 9014. So here manager is employee ID is 9014 and that manager is lives in Bangalore. Who is that employee name here? Pushpa is the employee name. Next sixth one. Here write an SQL query to fetch those employees who lives in this is completed. And next seventh one is write an SQL query to fetch all the employees who either lives in Bangalore or work under a manager with manager 9014. Here both combination here we asked both lives in Bangalore and work under the manager. ID also is there. So what is the query means here select employee name from employee where place is equal to Bangalore and one more condition also is there here employee number is equal to 9015. These are the people who are lives in Bangalore and that too and 9015 also is there here. 9015 here who means here Srinivas is the 9015. This is the next query. And next one is write an SQL query to fetch all those employees who are managers. This is the next query. So next query is select all those employees. So select employee name from employee table so select employee name from employee where job role is equal to managers. Here he asked only managers only. Who are the managers here? No one manager who is there. Here he next query is here he asked to write an SQL query to display the total salary of each employee, adding the salary with 20% of salary. So here for this net salary, we have to add the 20% of the net salary. And next, select net salary. For this net salary, we have to add the 20% of salary. Net salary of 20%, 20 by 100. This is our total salary. Total salary from employee table. Employee table is the employee. So here if you observe means here total salary for this net salary and we have to add the 20% of net salary. This is the net salary of 24 rows. I mean in 24 employees. Next question is write an SQL query to fetch the employees whose name begins with any two characters followed by a text H1 and ends with any sequence of characters. So for this we have to use the like operator and not like operators. Here we have to write the select employee name from employee where employee name, here we use like operator, like underscore. Here he asked for a HN only here. HN and semicolon. Here no rows are selected because here according to our query in this our table there is no data for this query. And next question is write an SQL query to fetch all the employee IDs which are present in either of the tables employee details and employee salary. Here I have to take the two tables here. Select star from employee is one table. This is the one table. And next second one is select star from staff. This is the another table. So here what is the question here? What is the query? Write an SQL query for this employee IDs and which are present in either of the tables, employee details and staff also here. Select. Here we have to take the employee number from one table and we have to combine the another, means we have to use the union operator, union, and select staff code from staff. This is the query here. So here means we have to employee numbers are the one table and the staff code from the another table. These two tables are we have to combine it. Next query is write an SQL query to select employee number, job, comma, salary, who are managers, clerks, and CEOs. This is our query. What is our query here? Select employee number, comma, job role, comma, net salary from employee table. Here conditions are there where job role equal to managers or job role equal to clerk or job role equal to CEOs. Here three conditions are there. Here clerk CEO only, but here managers means manager only is there. Select employee number and the next here job roles, manager, so this is the query here. Select employee number, comma, job role, net salary from employee table where job role equal to managers also is there, clerk also is there, and CEOs also is there. Here we have to use the three job roles. Instead of this, we used here job in operators. In operator it is a predefined operator and it is used for OR operation. What is the query here? Select same employee number, job role, comma, net salary from employee. Here we use to where job role in operator we have to use to job role in, comma, in place of managers, manager, comma, clerk, comma, CEO. These are the same only here. Two queries are same, but here instead of these three job roles, manager, clerk, and CEOs, we used here job in operator, job role in operator, manager, clerk, CEO. So both these are the same queries only. Next query is the write an SQL query to fetch the position of a given characters in a field. Here what is the query here? Select in-string operator. Here in this we have to use the lower of the employee name. And here I have to take in the small a only. So for this, which is the position of the alphabet A from employee table where employee name equal to address of employee name. Here, what is the address of the employee name? Srinivas is the address of the employee name. Here, Srinivas. So, where is A? Alphabet A. Here, A is in the 7th place. If you observe, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, A is in which position? 7th position. And next question is 14th one. Write an SQL query to display both the employee IDs and staff together. So here I have to take the two tables. Select start from employee is one table and another table is select start from staff. These are the two tables here. In these two tables, we have to combine the both employee number and as well as staff code. Here, what is the query here? Select employee number, comma, staff code from employee and staff. So here, these are the 480 rows are selected. Next query is write an SQL query. Write an SQL query to uppercase the name of the employee and lowercase the city values. Here, select which one is the uppercase here? Uppercase of the employee name. Upper string, employee name, comma, lowercase of which one is it? City values. City values means here place values. Place values from employee. So see here, all employees are in the uppercase and all place values are in the lowercase. And the next one is the write an SQL query to update the salary field by value 10% in case of an employee. So for this we have to take the employee table. So in this table, in net salary, you have to increase the how much percentage here? 10% is there. So 10% means update. Which one we have to update here? Update which table? Employee table, where net salary equal to net salary plus for this net salary we have to increase the 10% of net salary, 10 by 100. So set key, we have to insert the set key, update set net salary equal to net salary plus net salary into 10 by 100. So here 24 rows are updated. Here we have to check the net salary on the select star from employee table. Here automatically updated the net salary only. Net salary. So this is the net salary. Here already updated the net salary. So query is write a SQL query to get the job and total salary who are not managers and the total salary is greater than 50,000. This is the query. So here we write the select job role, comma. Here he asks sum of net salary. Total salary from which table? Employee table. Here where condition, where job role not like manager. And one more condition also is there, group by job role having sum of net salary greater than, here he asked 50,000. So 50,000. So here we get the job role total salary, and here which one is the condition is there greater than 50,000 is there. So we get the total salary above 50,000. This is the query. Next question is to calculate consolidation on jobs. So here consolidation on jobs means we have to get the gross salary, basic salary and net salary. So select job based on the job role, comma, sum of basic salary, comma, sum of gross salary, comma, sum of net salary from employee table. Here group by condition also we have to write group by job group. So see here, based on the job role, we have to get the basic salary, at the same time gross salary and also net salary. Next query is write a SQL query to find nth highest salary and nth lowest salary of employees. So what is the first maximum highest salary? Select the maximum of net salary. This is the first highest salary from employee table. Here what is the first highest salary? 1,53,010. And coming to the second highest salary, select maximum of net salary. This is the second highest first salary from employee table, where net salary is greater than the maximum of net salary from employee table. This is the second highest salary. So here first highest salary is 1,53,010 and here second highest salary is 1,50,000. And the next third highest salary is same here also. Third highest salary, where net salary is greater than, select maximum net salary from employee. And next one more condition also we have to write, where condition. This is the third highest salary. Like this, we have to calculate the first highest salary and second highest salary and third highest salary. Up to nth highest salary, we have to calculate it. And next, coming to the maximum salary was completed, and now minimum salary. How to calculate minimum salary here? In place of maximum, we have to write the minimum salary. Minimum salary means select min of net salary. This is the first lowest salary. First lowest salary from employee table. Next, second highest salary. Here first highest salary and next second lowest salary, where condition net salary is greater than min select min of net salary from employee table. This is the second lowest salary. So here first lowest salary is 26,565 and second lowest salary is 41,536. Like this we have to calculate the nth lowest salaries. So next third highest salary is third lowest salary where condition here third, so means we have to write the 3 times. So this is the third lowest salary. Like this we have to calculate it up to nth lowest salaries. And next finally last query is write a SQL query to get all the details of employee whose name is prescribed. Here condition is there. Prescribed. Prescribed means which name we have to give it. That we have to get the all details of the employee. Select star from employee where here which one is there? Employee name is there. So who employee name means where employee name equal to address of employee name. This is the query. So here we have to give the employee name. So Srinivas is the employee name. So for this we have to get the all the details of Srinivas. So employee number, employee name, job role, height, date, basic salary and total each and everything. For suppose I have to get the one more employee name, we have to write the slash and employee name. Pushpa is the another employee name. We have to get the, so no one is there, Pushpa. So for suppose Rishi. And Rishi means, so one more mistake, Rishi. So we have to get the employees of Rishi details. So like this we have to calculate the all queries in employee table.
చూసారు కదా క్వైరీస్. ఇక్కడ 2 డేటాబేసెస్ తీసుకున్నాను, క్రియేట్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ మీకు క్రియేషన్ లో ఏమన్నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నా, ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకు ముందు మేడం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ SQL 1 అని క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మీకు హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ద టేబుల్ డేటాబేస్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఆ డేటాబేస్ అయిపోయాక నెక్స్ట్ క్వైరీస్ లో ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, మీరు కూడా ఈ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్స్ కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ 2 డేటాబేసెస్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని డిఫరెంట్ క్వైరీస్ కూడా మీరు చేంజ్ చేసుకోండి. మీకు కూడా ఇంకా 20 ఎక్స్ట్రా క్వైరీస్ వస్తాయి, మీరు కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో నేనైతే ఇలానే ట్రైన్ చేసుకున్నాను మేడం దగ్గర. సో మేడం కొన్ని ఇచ్చారు, దాని నుంచి ఇంకా కొన్ని డిఫరెంట్ క్వైరీస్ కూడా నేను తీసుకొని రాశాను, అవి కూడా నాకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యాయి. ఈ క్వైరీస్ ని మీకు కూడా యూజ్ అవుతాయని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ షేర్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ కూడా చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్.